first four pens, ladies and gentlemen, the property of Peter and Phyllis Sutton of their properties at Murrindle and Buchan. You're an outstanding draft for steers, ladies and gentlemen. Annual consignment which come to this particular sale every year. And I think you come to buy quality Angus steers. I think you can go no further. Look at that four pens of steers, ladies and gentlemen. The credit to Peter and Phyllis and their management practices, the way these cattle handle, they're extremely quiet. All right, the way there, the first pound there, 578 kilos, ladies and gentlemen. An outstanding draft for steers, aren't they? How long those steers out can do? They look like 940 or 50. 940, 2900. I'm at 850 the two. Pair. I'm at 850 the pair. I'm at 850. 8, 5. 8. So 900 these, 900 there, 900. Yep. 5, 10, 15, 20, 920, 920.
We had an exceptional run of black steers that we started on, but generally right across the board, the cattle right through the yarding presented very, very well. Yeah, look, right across it was a pretty reasonable yarding of cattle. We did have an exceptional run of black steers, account Peter and Phyllis Sutton from Buchan. The weights, there was 50 odd of those steers. We displayed the weights. Those steers sold to a top of 218 cents and from 196 up to that 218. Very, very good run of cattle and a lot of strength throughout the market. A lot of local buyers, a lot of buyers from South Gippsland who didn't fully fill their orders. So it's no, very good market all round. Mainly all local cattle. There was a few cattle from the Monero, but mainly local East Gippsland cattle. A few from down in the sort of Sale, Maffra area, but predominantly, 85% of the cattle were local East Gippsland cattle. Sort of from calves up to sort of steers, probably sort of 8 to 14 months would cover the majority of the yarding. There was a few older steers of probably more so in the crossbred section, but generally the better bred cattle were all sort of in that 8 to 14 months old. I thought it was a mixed yarding of heifers. I didn't think it was a great yarding of heifers, but it was a mixed yarding, and I thought the prices received for those were exceptional for what they were. Cows and calves, no notable lines there. There was some 2 or 3 pens of cows and calves from a fellow which had sold his property. Both had sold to the top of about $1,200 and something, but once you got off those, the cows and calves were very mixed, mainly aged cows with small calves on them, and very mixed in quality. Friday the 12th of December is the last store sale for Bairnsdale for this year, for 2014. I think we'll resume about the 10th or the 11th, somewhere about that in January.